All right, Victor, so tell us, what made you go with Sunnyside Landscapes over the other companies that probably you called, came out?
When I sat down with you and just after talking with you briefly, I thought this guy has integrity, and I felt comfortable with your approach. And you said that you would be here and you would accomplish the work on time, and you did exactly what you said. And I thought, you have integrity. You showed me some of the work that you had done in the past, and you had great photos, great references. Better Business Bureau gave you good recommendations, and I thought, I think I'm going to give this guy a try. And
Yeah.
was I ever excited to have you here. The day you showed up, I asked you if you're going to be here. I looked in my backyard, and there you were with all the equipment, all the men, and you knocked it out of the ballpark. I mean, every day you were here. Everybody worked so hard. It was like a great team effort too. I like the way you guys were almost like a machine, just like you had all that concrete and sand and everything out of here, the old way, ready for the next phase the next day. And then said you'd be here with the proper equipment, the proper men. You were on time.
Perfect.
Said you were going to deliver on. You delivered, and then some. The other thing I like too is you came up with some great ideas that I hadn't even thought of before. Like the fire pit and this wall with the cap on it, and all the landscaping. It added so much value to what we had initially thought we were going to do, and it far exceeded our expectations. And you're reasonable on price. I like that aspect as well. Kind of budget-minded as well.
Yeah.
But we got high quality. Once I talked to you and you explained to me how you put in the concrete. You tore out all the old concrete, which hadn't been installed properly, obviously. You put extra stone underneath of it, used the rebar, and the lining and the striations on this concrete is perfect. The wall's perfect. I love the color of the brick, of the stone, and the cap on it. And the way you executed on lighting in the evening, it's pleasing to the eye, very pleasing to the eye. Look out here. I know we're going to get years of benefit from this project you put in for us, and never forget you for it.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Overall, how satisfied are you with our company?
110%.
110. That's perfect.
It's kind of off the chart a little bit, but that's the way we feel about it.
What do you think we could have done better as myself and as the company?
Boy, that's a hard question to answer because you delivered so well. Can't find anything to put in that column. I hope you don't mind, but I don't know.
No, that's a perfect answer. Yeah. Would you recommend Sunnyside Landscapes to your friends, family, neighbors?
I have already, as a matter of fact. I began mentioning your name and mentioning your product and the way you delivered. We're going to have a lot of people come over here and enjoy this through the years, and your name's going to come up again and again and again.
I appreciate it.
It really will. So you and your crew, excellent.
And what was the name of the company that did this work at your house?
Sunnyside Landscapes.
Yeah, that's it right there. Hey, I really appreciate it. You are a fantastic customer. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate your help.
And moving forward, if you're wanting to have a paver, concrete patio, retaining wall, seating wall, fire pit, landscape lighting, or landscaping, you know who to call. Sunnyside Landscapes at 317-502-2113. Until next time.